you're going to collect data, the pieces of information, the parts, and then you assemble it, and then you present. That's the output is your report, the finished product. So you report, and you report. By the time we read your report, we will be able to picture out the description or the assessment as a whole, not as individual pieces. So in this part, this is where most of the students have difficulty, or I would say most of us, including psychology practitioners, psychometricians, have difficulty in the integration. So after collecting data, mostly when they present the result, they present it in a way that are compartmentalized, meaning like they have this output or analysis for this particular data, different analysis for this particular data, different analysis for this particular data.